Hi guys, so today we won't be really on the charts. Today I'll just show you guys my journaling setup. So this is the journaling template right here that I'll put on the link for you guys so you guys can duplicate. So I'll just go through how to use this. So basically this is the template that you guys have. There's just a board, a calendar, and a trades. So if you put a new thing, you can add all your data and then it will appear in your calendar on the date, and it will also appear on your trades like that, so you guys can see it a bit better. So as an example, I'll just go over with you guys one of the ones for back testing that I have. I have a new one of these for each. I have one of these for like my actual trades. I have one of these for back testing on EU, and I have one of these for back testing on NQ. So this is just one very short session that I have. So that's the board right there. You can take all your trades there and you just add. I was testing from like 2023, so if we go all the way back there, so it's very easy to see sort of what days you have your setups and what days your setups are more likely to win or lose. Maybe you can see a pattern there, and you can have a table as well so you guys can see whether you win loss, and what it is, what kind of model you're using, what kind of confluences that you have and strategies. This is for me when I group them in strategies so that I can sort of like rearrange them and group them. So when I was having like multiple strategies like A, B, C, D, I would just put all the A's at the top, all the B's at the bottom and stuff. Phase, that was for the A, B, C, D. And then for the strategies, that was when I would group them in like continuation or reversal or session liquidity. So that's my different strategies that I used to have, but I don't really do them anymore. So let's just open one up. You just input whether it's a win or a loss, break even, what each one of these are. And if you guys are not going to use this, you can just click delete. So it's up to you to customize it. You can delete it and you can add whatever you want and then create. It'll be there, and then you can delete it as well. So yeah, that can be an option that you guys want to delete. For me, this is just the 3 strategies that I have. I don't use the ABCD anymore actually, and the model 1, 2, 3 is just my entry models. And risk to reward, session, higher time frame, and position, whether there's news or not, and all your confluences. And these ones as well, you guys can add different confluences. You guys can remove confluences that you don't use. Even I don't use most of these. To this part, first I usually put a picture of the trade so I can see the whole thing. Then I just put for the higher time frame, and I just write down any commentary that I need. Then confluences, this is just a test trade, so there's not much that I wrote down, but there's just some other data out there, and you guys can usually write your psych issues here and what you're thinking of if you're doing it for live trading. And it's pretty much the same thing for a loss. And yeah, so for example, I also created a win template and a loss template, and it's pretty much the same thing, but the loss template just has an extra title. So this is high time frame, bias, and confluence. So you just add your pictures and stuff there, and your first picture there, higher time frame, confluence, and then loss template is just with the mistakes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But I do suggest that you guys write down all your thoughts and stuff as well. For in terms of psychology, it's really important to backtrack what your thought processes are when you were in that trade. So I think that's all for today's video. It's a pretty short one just to share my journaling. I'll see you guys in the next video, and just remember it's in a link in the description if you guys want the journal that I have.